One of the key pillars on the new bespoke 11 kilo Space Max washing machines is energy. All of them are going to be A-rated going forward. And we do this by blending existing core technologies with some new features as well. So all our machines are powered by digital inverter motors, which are magnet driven, which make them incredibly energy efficient and quiet. We've got EcoBubble, where we can offer customers the same results as a hot wash at 40 degrees, but by washing in cold water. We've also got Auto Optimal Wash, or AI Wash, where it can measure out how much detergent and softener to use for the customer, allowing them to save stress, but also save time and energy. And talking of energy, on the SmartThings app, under the Life tab, you've got SmartThings Energy, which allows customers to actually monitor how much energy each of their appliances is using, such as which cycles are the most energy efficient for them, as well as which ones they use the most, allowing them to be a little bit more precise when monitoring their energy bills and energy consumption. And we've also now got AI EcoBubble. So we've got fabric sensing inside the washing machines as well to determine what type of cotton it is. Could be light, could be normal, could be heavy, or what type of synthetics. It can then adjust how many bubbles it needs, how much time it spends in the wash, and then can get to rinse a lot quicker. And if it is a heavy towel, then it can increase the spin speed to make sure we get as much moisture out of the clothes as possible. All in all, saving the customers some energy.